typical lot clearing cost. Several factors affect lot clearing costs. According to home builder Carl Heldmann, these include the location, soil conditions, terrain and season. Standard services. Certain services are considered standard and should be included in the price you are provided. Heldmann notes that clearing a lot includes clearing trees, brush, rocks, roots and debris from where the house will sit. An additional 10 feet or more around the foundation may also be cleared to provide adequate workspace. Additional costs. Expect to pay more for some services if you require them. These include having additional areas cleared around the build site and cutting logs into firewood. Also, be aware that some companies' lot clearing costs only include cutting trees down and they will leave the stumps. Having the stumps removed usually increases the price. Debris hauling. When you sign a contract for lot clearing, make sure it includes the cost of hauling away the unwanted materials. Otherwise, you will either be forced to pay extra or be left with a lot of debris.